andiamo su, andiamo a trovare l'insegna indietro, perché guarda, io proprio...
Ah, Paco! Where are we going?
I don't know.
Hey, a bird!
What's the little bird saying, Anthony?
The little bird wants to know what's wrong with Alfonso.
I'm too upset. Can't you tell?
Oh, what did the bird say?
That clever little bird knows where to find the secret ingredient. Fantastic!
Yeah.
Let's follow the bird!
Yeah.
Follow the bird. Follow the bird. Birdie, birdie, bird. Follow the bird. Follow the bird. Follow the bird. Birdie, birdie, bird. Follow the bird. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Wow, 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 wow. Follow the bird. Follow the bird. Birdie, birdie, bird. Follow the bird. Follow the bird. Follow the bird. Birdie, birdie, bird. Follow the bird. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Wow, 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 wow. Follow the bird. Follow the bird. Birdie, birdie, bird. Follow the bird. Follow the bird. Follow the bird. Birdie, birdie, bird. Follow the bird.
Where's the bird gone?
I don't know, Murray, but we're back at Wiggly Homestead.
Hey, it's getting late. We've got to work this out, guys.
Yeah, I think we're going to need some help with this one. Will you help us find the secret ingredient? Oh, good. Well, here's a drawing of what it looks like.
Hey, Greg, everybody, that looks like an olive tree.
That's right, Anthony, and that's where you get olive oil. And that's the secret ingredient.
Yeah. Hey, can you help us? Have you seen an olive tree that looks like that? You have? Hey, guys, they're saying that they've seen an olive tree that looks like that, and it's over there.
Yes, they're saying it is over there, Murray. Let's have a look.
Okay.
It's not over there. Now they're saying it's over there.
Let me get this straight. You're saying the olive tree is over here now.
They're saying that.
Well, let's have a look, guys.
Okay.
What there?
Oh, hang on, guys. Now they're saying it's behind us.
Oh, behind us? Here! Yeah, well done, everybody. That is the secret tree. Yeah!
Hang on, guys. How are we going to get the olive oil out of the olives?
You know what, Murray? It's a pity you don't have a gizmo to pump the oil out of the olives.
Yeah. A bit like the gizmo that you designed to pump the water out of the ground.
Hey, maybe, just maybe,
The pump!
Murray, the pump. Now, Murray, let me get this straight. You're going to use that gizmo to pump out the olive oil from the olives?
That's right, Anthony. I'm going to use this pump to pump the olive oil out of the olives.
We'd better get to work.
Yes, double quick wiggly time. Come on.
It's working, Murray.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Wow.
By golly, Murray, you've done it.
I did indeed.
Look, everyone, it's
the olive oil.
Yes, great work, everybody. But now we have to hurry back so Alfonso can make his master pasta for the cook-off.
Yeah, let's go!
Yeah.
Yandere!
Yandere!
Yandere!